Hi, welcome to our channel. 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class Coupe review and prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros. Elegant and premium interior design. Excellent balance between comfortable ride and sporty handling. Abundant driver safety aids are effective. 4 and 6-cylinder engines are fuel efficient for the class. Cons. Less useful cargo area than the regular non-coupe style GLC. Rear headroom isn't great, especially in the middle. What's new? Large digital instrument display now standard. Optional dashcam discontinued. Part of the first GLC generation introduced for 2017. The prices. MSRP range, $54,700 to $68,200. Overview. Mercedes-Benz generally gets credit for unleashing the coupe everything design frenzy of the past 2 decades. A trend that gained momentum with the release of Mercedes CLS sedan in the early 2000s, tucking 4 doors under a sleek, swoopy roof is now a staple in many automaker portfolios. Even SUV lineups are not immune, as seen with the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC Coupe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.